Eco Ceiling Fan, featuring Emerson's DC Eco motor, is one of the most efficient fans on the market, using up to 75% less energy than conventional ceiling fan models to create unbeatable air movement in large spaces for less than a penny an hour. Adding a touch of mission-style craftsmanship to any setting it graces, the Portland Eco's transitional look is defined by bold architectural curves and sophisticated design. 5 reversible mahogany walnut blades provide an impressive airflow and add a touch of warmth to the fan's styling. An optional accent light and integrated Opal Matte downlight complete the look. The Portland Eco may be installed on standard ceilings or be paired with a kit for installation on sloped ceilings. A 4.5-inch down rod is included with the fan for easy hanging, and a 6-speed LED wall control with receiver allows you to create custom airflows in your home year-round. Enjoy the best of style and efficiency with the Emerson Portland Eco Ceiling Fan, and move more air more beautifully in all your favorite spaces.